gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Source, radar and webcams. Intact, travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes. This includes the following highways: northeast extension between mile marker 65 and 70. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile marker 62 and 76. Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile marker 0 and 7. Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 1 and 13. Locations in Texas include Allentown, Houston, Bethlehem, Fort, Wilhampton, Hackettstown, Wilson, Washington, Hilltown, Nazareth, Denver, Livingston, Penn Argyll, Winnipeg, Bath, Belvidere, Harmony, Oxford, Alpha, and Wellness. But roadways will quickly freeze. Black ice will cause roads, bridges, and overpasses to become slick and dangerous. Slow down and be prepared for a sudden acceleration. Slow down. Rapid changes in visibility and road conditions are expected with this dangerous snow squall. Be alert for sudden whiteout conditions.